Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin troubleshooting the MSI MS16R1 battery not charging issue, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning purposes. Make sure to have a clean workspace and be grounded to avoid static damage to your components. Firstly, power off your laptop and unplug it from the wall. Remove the battery by locating the release latches on the underside of the laptop. Gently slide these latches to free the battery. Set the battery aside for inspection. Next, take your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws securing the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws safe as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift off the back panel to expose the internal components. Inspect the charging port for any debris or dust. Use the isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth to clean the area around the port. A dirty charging port can often lead to connectivity issues that prevent charging. Now, take your multimeter and set it to measure voltage. Connect the probes to the battery terminals and check the voltage readings. If the voltage is significantly lower than the battery's rated voltage, it may indicate that the battery is faulty and needs replacement. If you find that the battery is good, proceed to check the charging circuit on the motherboard for any visible damage or burnt components. While you're inside the laptop, also take a moment to clean out any dust accumulated on the cooling fans and heatsinks. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. If you don't have the tools necessary for these checks, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in identifying the issue without any commitment to repair. Once you've completed your inspection and troubleshooting, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reinsert the battery, ensuring it clicks into place, and reconnect the laptop to power. Now, try charging the laptop again. If it still does not charge, the issue may be more complex, possibly involving the motherboard or the power adapter. In such cases, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. We can collect your laptop for further inspection, allowing you to avoid the hassle of calls and travel. If you decide to proceed with repairs, we provide a quote before any work begins, ensuring transparency and helping you make an informed decision. This way, you can weigh your options without any unexpected costs. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot the battery charging issue with your MSI MS16R1 laptop. If you're unable to resolve the problem yourself, remember that professional help is just a call away, and we are here to assist you with any of your laptop repair needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.